The last topic for this lesson is pie graphs, and again, it's probably another topic that you have seen in the past, but we'll talk about it again, how to make it online, and a couple other topics I want to discuss with the pie graph. We have the same frequency table as before here on the screen, and I've done something a little bit different with McDonald's. There were 5 students that chose McDonald's in my survey. There are 37 total students, so what I did for the pie graph, one idea is I have 5 students out of 37, so I divide 5 divided by 37, and that is 13.51% if I were to convert that to a percent. And I didn't do this on, I'm not going to do this on the online pie graph version, but it is something that we need to discuss, and something you do need to realize is pie graphs are very, very useful when we have percentage data. It just breaks up a circle into percentage of parts. They're called sectors in geometry if you've had geometry. But a pie graph is very good when we talk about percentage of data. It helps break a circle into percentages. But I'll go back to the same website as I did in the previous video. And again, I chose pie graph. And we can choose solid patterns or gradients. And we can take this and customize what we want it to look like. I have my frequency table basically right here in the middle. And if I didn't want to list frequencies, because pie graphs usually are better as percents, I could change each of these values to the percent that I had on the last slide, the last screen, where I calculated percentages. You can change your colors and customize and do all of that kind of stuff too. But for this scenario, I'm just going to leave the values here as frequencies, how many times each thing occurred. Again, you can change your labels as before. You can preview your graph and look it over and see if you're happy with how it looks. And if you're not, again, go back and change how it looks and update your graph until it's how you want it to look. Again, print and save. You could print if you like or email, and then download. And just like before with your other ones, I'd like for you to download it as a JPEG file. Click download, save, and you are good to go.